And Zambia is booming. Copper is exploding. Billions are coming in. So why are most Zambians still poor? This is the part no one is telling you. It's 2 a.m. in Chawama. Power is off again. Your phone is on 12%. But the internet is saying something different. Zambia is rising. 890,000 tons of copper. 1 million this year. 3 million by 2031. Chinese mines. Canadian giants. Billions from investors linked to Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. For a moment, you believe it. You see yourself in a hard hat, a real job, your mother finally resting, your brother staying in school. You sleep thinking, maybe this time is different. You wake up, nothing changed. 64% of Zambians still live on less than $2.15 a day. The boom is real, but it's not for you. You watch trucks carry copper past you every single day, straight to the border. No processing, no value added, no jobs for people like you. Just raw wealth, leaving the country. Then you hear the stories. Land taken, villages moved, promises broken, rivers poisoned, fish dying, crops failing, people getting sick. And still, jobs are limited. So young men dig illegal pits. No safety, no protection. One mistake, and they don't come back home. You start to understand something deeper. This is not bad luck. It's a system. Local content laws exist, but enforcement is weak. Power cuts kill small businesses. Big contracts go to foreign companies. Roads are built, but not for you. Schools are built, but still empty. The copper moves. The money moves. But you don't. And then it hits you. This has happened before. 2000s, 2010s. Copper went up. Zambia stayed the same because the structure never changed. Raw export, foreign control, money out, people left behind. But 2026 is different. The world needs copper now. Electric cars, solar, artificial intelligence. This might be Zambia's last real chance to do it differently. Local processing, real local ownership, money that actually builds the country. Somewhere right now, there's a young Zambian scrolling at 2 a.m., K500 in his pocket, seeing the same headlines, feeling the same hope. He has no idea how this story usually ends. But he will learn. They always do. The cycle continues. So, be honest. Are you actually seeing any benefit from the copper boom? Or is it still the same life? Drop it in the comments. If this opened your eyes, like, subscribe, and follow for more. Next video, how to actually make money from the copper boom, even if you don't own a mine. Zambia is moving fast. The only question is, are you moving with it or still being left behind? See you in the next level.